Hello friends and happy Vlogmas day 19. I can hardly believe it's already Thursday, December 19th, and that means Christmas is so very close, as well as so many other holidays. So again, I hope you guys are enjoying the holiday season. Today I'm in my craft room this morning because I had to film a process video for my channel today. I already edited Vlogmas earlier this morning, so that's uploading right now. We'll be ready to go for 10, but I need to get this video done so I can have that up ready for 11 o'clock. So I'm not sure what I'm going to scrap or what I want to scrap, but I'm hoping it's quick. I'm really just not in the mood because it's cold in here. We didn't turn the heat on or anything last night, so it's only about 60 something in here because we didn't want to turn the heat on because we knew we'd probably get too hot that way, and you know, it just goes that way. But it's going to warm up today, so it should be fine later. But I'm going to pick out some photos and then find something to scrapbook. So this is a photo I decided to go for. It's got like these fall colors to it. This was a floral arrangement I received for my work anniversary last year. So this is my 1-year work anniversary flower set that they sent. So I'm going to scrapbook this. I kind of like the looks of the dictionary paper with it, so I think I might go a vintage vibe on this. But again, I want something easy, and I don't know. We'll see where it takes us. So I finished my layout in about 30 minutes. I wish it was a little bit faster, but that's okay. I'm sitting down to edit it now so I can get that done and get straight to work because I think by the time I'm done with it, it's going to be running a little bit late. But I'll just stay a little bit later to make up for that. But I am going to do this, and then I'll catch up with you guys around lunchtime. I just have to show you guys. Poppy's actually cuddling my microphone. She's sitting on it. I left it here after doing my voiceover, but she's looking as cute as ever, cuddling her favorite blankets. She thinks it's cold out still, which it is cold in here, but it's going to warm up later. What was that grumpy face for? She wants to go back to sleep. So I just got home from picking up my packages that were at the post office, or I mean at the leasing office. And man, it is actually so warm out today. I did not expect that. It just felt so breezy on my porch that I just assumed that it wouldn't be that hot outside, but walking all that way made me sweat. There goes my door getting caught in the breeze, but that's okay. So I'm going to hop in the shower after I open these, because these are, I believe, the last of the Christmas presents I ordered, and then presents that are being sent to me. We also got some coupons for a new Domino's. You know, the good stuff is in the mail today. While I didn't end up showering, I did manage to convince Sam that we needed to use the new pizza coupons we got. So we got the pizza, and it's another pizza movie night. I'm really excited. We're going to watch some more Star Wars, probably. Maybe we'll find something on Disney Plus to watch. And we're going to enjoy this pizza, so let me give you guys a look. Pepperoni and jalapeno for Sam. And for myself, a plain, beautiful, pretend it's beautiful, but you can't see it. It's beautiful, just trust me, okay? Actually, it looks like the lens is fogging up because it's so hot. Like, how hard is it to focus on a pizza? There we go. 2 beautiful pizzas ready to be eaten. I need to edit this Patreon video for Friday. So that's what I'm going to do now. Just because I need to get it done. And why not? You know what I mean? That video is now rendering. I'm going to answer a bunch of comments that I have left to answer because you guys are just leaving so many great comments. And I have to answer all of them. So I realized I've mentioned Patreon quite a few times, and I decided that it'd probably be a good idea to show you guys what it actually is. So essentially, if you visit my Patreon page, this is what you'll see. It's a membership platform where you guys can get additional content from me while supporting me monetarily. So essentially, I have 4 levels: $1, $3, $6, and $10 a month. And you don't have to lock in for X amount of months. You can start 1 month and then quit after whenever you want. It's really nice and flexible that way. So at the $1 a month, I do exclusive blog posts and early access to some of my YouTube videos. The $3 a month, you get the same thing, but you also get a digital printable every month and a handmade greeting card from me on 6 months. Then for the $6 a month tier, you get at least 2 real-time process videos. This has since gone up to 4, but I'm going to keep it at 2 for this just because it's just easier to explain in case I can't get them up. But right now I've been doing 4 exclusive videos for this tier and up. and usually they're quite a bit longer than my traditional ones, so really fun, and you get all the additional stuff that I'd already mentioned. And then the $10 a month tier, you get a 1-hour class with me every month. Depends on different topics. We've done shakers, like sequence shakers, we've done visual triangles, we've done DIY embellishments, all sorts of stuff in this class. And then you also get exclusive live streaming events. And this has changed from every other month to every month. The second Thursday of every month, we do a live stream for this group. So that's what this is. And then once you're a partner, you'll be able to see the posts like this. So once you join, and depending on your tier, you'll be able to see different sections on this side. So like everybody gets this section and this section. And then these ones are for specific tiers / above those tiers. So everybody gets these, so you'll see at least these. And these are ones I now post this one's every Friday now, and then this one's every month. So you'll see stuff like this. So this was an exclusive blog post. This is the live stream. Things like that. So hopefully you guys will check it out if you're interested. Obviously it's money based, so a lot of people don't have enough money to go around for their crafty hobby in general. So I understand that people can't afford to do these things, and I publish a calendar every month with what's going on and when, which I think is nice. And yeah, so that's kind of what it looks like. Last month's printable was 10 sketches. We're almost to 50 that I've released on Patreon, so if you're interested, definitely join. And you do get previous access to all of these things, which I know some people question, but you do get access to them. So definitely check it out, and you'll be able to check out all the old posts and then what the new upcoming ones are. But I think it's really fun, and a lot of crafty YouTubers are starting to do this. So if you're interested, definitely check it out, because I think it's worth it. And hopefully I've made things interesting enough for you guys to check out, because I would appreciate just checking it out. Because I think that's one of the things that people often just dismiss because it costs money, but you're getting things like printables, and those things usually cost money. So like I've done ephemera packs before, and there's a ton of posts on here, and again, this depends on which tier you're in for what will show up here, but I think that you'll find it very fun. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed day 19 of Vlogmas and learning more about what Patreon's about, and I hope you guys will go check it out. Again, I know it's not for everyone, but it's a fun thing to check out every once in a while, and I hope you guys do enjoy. But thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I will see you guys again tomorrow for another episode of Vlogmas. Thanks for watching. Bye!